have something to tell you. It's very serious.
Should I be scared?
Yeah, you should. The truth is, I'm in love with Stacy.
You did this? You went behind my back and went with my boyfriend and did things. You know what? No, don't touch me. What the fuck are you doing?
The other thing is that she's pregnant. With our baby girl.
Not anymore.
Stacy, will you marry me?
Will
you marry me?
You can't give me my ring. Guys!
Nah, you threw it at me already.